Hey homegirls, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do this easy makeup look, especially for my high school and college girlies. First, you want to start with your eyebrow pencil. I always like to just trace my natural shape. I start off with the bottom, and then I outline the bottom, then I outline the top, and then I fill in. Is optional, but I add eyebrow gel, especially if your hairs are very bushy. It just lays your hair down and leave a more flawless finish. When blending your concealer, use pat motions to make a flawless, seamless look. You don't want it to be streaks. Now I'm taking my setting powder on a powder puff and I'm going to set my concealer. Some brownish eyeshadow and I'm going to blend it all over my lid, and obviously when I do it to one side, I do it to the other side. Foundations to carve out the top of my brows, and I do this because when I apply the foundation all over my face, it'll already blend.
Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Ay, still not understanding this logic. Ay, I'm back and I'm better. I want you bad as ever. Don't let me just let up. I wanna give you better. Baby, it's whatever. Somebody gotta step up.
Now I'm taking the foundation and applying it all over my face, and then I want to take the blending brush and I'm going to pat it into my skin for it to melt.
Girl, I guess you didn't know any better. Girl, that man didn't show any ever. Do all I can just to show you it's special. Certain it's your love that holds me together. Lately you say he been killing the vibe. Gotta be sick of this guy. Pull up skirt, get in the right. Left hand is staring, the other is gripping your thigh. Light up a spliff and get high. Shawty, you deserve what you've been missing. Looking at you, I'm thinking he must be tripping. Baby, it's no phone, I'm just sitting. Wrong. I'm playing games and it's loving ain't the same. I don't know what to say, but what a shame. If you were mine, you would not get the same. If you were mine, you would top everything. Suicide in the drop, switch your lanes in the thing. So fly, baby, no propane. Got good, girl, can I be framed? Keep it 100, girl, I ain't no saint. But he the only reason that I'm feeling this way. Giving you the world, baby, when you get space, pen gang, give me lay, baby, that's penetrate. Oh, baby.
You want to really take your time blending this into your skin, and also do not forget to get under your chin. That is very important, y'all. Now I'm applying the same concealer I used for my eyebrows for my highlighting areas.
Flex OD, sex OD, you got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Yeah. Pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you wildin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Way they hitting you, the DM looking violent. Talking while you come around and not excited. Through the Cooper 17, no guidance. You be staying low, but you know what the price is. Ain't never.
For more coverage, you want it to dry a little bit before blending.
You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it.
Now I have my powder puff again with the setting powder, and you're going to set the places we put the concealer.
I'm looking for somebody I can call. Looking for the only one I can get my own. Tell me that it's you. What you wanna do. You can be my teacher, I'll do homework. You can give me extra credit, baby, I'll do more. What you wanna do. Now it's me and you.
Taking this contour palette just to add definition back to my face. I'm using a fluffy brush, and you want to put it in the areas around your face.
It's just me and you. What you wanna do. Call me mine, spoil you like a baby. Thinking about you, dreaming about you, got me going crazy. What you wanna do. Now it's me and you.
lashes. If you're still struggling to put on your lashes, I find it easier to just take the brush and swipe the glue on your eye and then put the lash on when it dries clear. Now I'm going to be using this angled brush to apply blush. I start off with a little bit and then I work my way up because you don't want to start off putting a lot because it's hard to get off. Now I'm taking that same palette and an angled brush to contour my nose to give it more of a shape.
Bad man, we not spray, baby. Oops, I done fell for your way, baby. I know, girl, but you don't know from the first time.
Now I'm applying highlighter on my cheekbones, on my brow bones, and a little bit on my nose.
Everyone falls. Oops, I done fell so deep, baby. Oops, I want you for me, baby. Oops, I want you for me, baby. Oops, I done fell so deep, cause everyone falls in love sometimes. I don't know about you, but even
I line my lips with a brown lip liner and then I go ahead and add like a nude colored lipstick. And I also let the lipstick sit and like dry before blending it for it to blend better.
if you let me love you, if you let me love you, we are so dandy for the day, baby. Come my way, baby. Top down on the highway, baby. And if you let me love you, shorty, she ain't even got a visa. Out of town one night.
Leave a comment on something you found informative or helpful during this video.
And I know from the first time I see you, love, you got me, baby. Even though, girl, I know that I would fall for you, you got to know that everyone falls. Oops, I done fell too deep, baby. Oops, I think you got me, baby. Oops, I want you for me, baby. I'm falling, but everyone falls in love sometimes. I don't know about you, but even
Now I'm applying setting spray and this is the last step, y'all. Now y'all finna go to school looking like that girl, real cute, period.
you to the